In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can disable the keyboard shortcuts on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to the Windows search bar and type regedit, register editor under the best match, and just go ahead and click on that. Then you have to click on the HK current user. Click on the arrow to expand the list on the left side. Then you have to click on software. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then you have to look for Microsoft folder. Here it is. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then you have to look for Windows. Click on that. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then you have to look for current version. Click on the arrow to expand the list. Then we have to look for policies. Click on that. Now on the right pane, we are going to make a DWORD 32-bit value. So right click and then select new DWORD 32-bit value, and you have to name this no key shorts. Okay, the same thing as what you can see on the screen. No key shorts. Capital letters for the beginning of each word and key S with no spaces in between. Double click and you have to change the value data to 1 in order to disable the keyboard shortcuts. And then click on OK. After that, you need to close the registry editor, then right click at the start button, shutdown or sign out and restart for the changes to take effect. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.